Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable low light capture on GoPro Mission 1 Pro. Here, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the app, the Quik app. We're gonna click on those three lines right here and three dots. We have the low light right here. And if you see it like this, so you see it hidden, you can just click on the eye icon and click on it. As you guys can see, it will open and you will be able to adjust your own settings here. So to enable it, that's all you do. And you now can have fun with your digital lens, HyperSmooth bit depth, and also colors and etc. So that's it. That's how you guys can enable our low light mode. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.